Vitamins are like tiny superheroes, working behind the scenes to keep your body running smoothly. They help your body use energy, repair damage, and fight off infections. Even though you only need small amounts, vitamins are crucial for overall health and well-being at every age. Without them, your body simply wouldn't function properly. Think of vitamins as essential nutrients that your body can't produce on its own, except for vitamin D. This means you need to get them from your diet. Eating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is like giving your body a multivitamin pack every day. From strong bones to a healthy immune system, vitamins play a role in nearly every aspect of your health. They even impact how well you age. That's right, certain vitamins can help you maintain a youthful glow, both inside and out. So if you're looking for a natural way to support healthy aging, look no further than your plate. Let's explore how specific vitamins can help you age gracefully and vibrantly. Aging is a natural part of life. As we get older, our bodies change. One of the key changes happens at the cellular level. Cells are the building blocks of our bodies, and over time they experience wear and tear. This damage can lead to visible signs of aging, like wrinkles, as well as internal changes that affect our energy levels and overall health. But here's the good news. Certain vitamins act like potent antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off harmful molecules called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Think of free radicals like rust on a car. Just as rust weakens the car's structure, free radicals can damage your cells and accelerate the aging process. Antioxidants act like rust inhibitors, neutralizing free radicals and protecting your cells from their harmful effects. Antioxidants are found in many colorful fruits and vegetables as well as other healthy foods. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're providing your body with the ammunition it needs to fight off free radicals and support healthy aging. Imagine your cells as houses. Free radicals are like tiny termites that can damage the structure of those houses over time. Antioxidants act like pest control, neutralizing the termites and protecting your cells from their destructive effects. The more antioxidants you have in your system, the better equipped your body is to fight off free radicals and maintain cellular health. This translates to a healthier, more youthful you, both inside and out. So load up on those antioxidant-rich foods to keep your cells happy and thriving. Vitamin A is a true skin superhero. It plays a vital role in cell growth and repair, which is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. Vitamin A also helps protect your skin from sun damage, one of the biggest culprits behind premature aging. Think of vitamin A as a repair crew for your skin. It helps to heal wounds, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and keep your skin looking smooth and supple. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of TLC. You can find vitamin A in two forms: retinol, the pre-formed version found in animal products, and beta-carotene, a plant-based precursor that your body converts to vitamin A. Foods rich in retinol include liver, dairy products, and eggs. Beta-carotene is abundant in colorful fruits and vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're giving your skin the nutrients it needs to stay healthy, radiant, and youthful looking. Section 5. Vitamin C, your body's best friend. Vitamin C is a powerhouse nutrient that plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its structure and elasticity. As you age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Vitamin C helps to boost collagen synthesis, keeping your skin firm and youthful. But the benefits of vitamin C go far beyond skin health. It's also a potent antioxidant, protecting your cells from free radical damage and supporting a strong immune system. This means it helps your body fight off infections and stay healthy as you age. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are excellent sources of vitamin C. Other great sources include strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, and broccoli. Adding these foods to your diet is like giving your body a daily dose of sunshine and protection. Section 6. Vitamin D sunshine in a vitamin. Vitamin D is often called the sunshine vitamin because your body produces it when your skin is exposed to sunlight. However, many people don't get enough sunlight, especially during the winter months, leading to vitamin D deficiency. Why is vitamin D so important for aging? Well, it plays a crucial role in bone health by helping your body absorb calcium. As you age, maintaining strong bones is essential for preventing osteoporosis, a condition that weakens bones and increases the risk of fractures. While sunlight is the best way to boost your vitamin D levels, you can also get it from certain foods. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent sources of vitamin D. Other good sources include egg yolks, fortified milk, and yogurt. Section 7. Vitamin E, protecting your cells. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from free radical damage. It works synergistically with vitamin C to strengthen your body's natural defenses against aging and disease. Vitamin E also plays a role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing blood clots. Think of vitamin E as a guardian angel for your cells. It helps to shield them from damage, keeping them healthy and functioning optimally. This translates to overall better health and a lower risk of age-related diseases. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are particularly good choices. You can also find vitamin E in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as vegetable oils like wheat germ oil and sunflower oil. Section 8. B vitamins, energy boosters. B vitamins are a group of 8 essential nutrients that play a crucial role in energy production. They help your body convert food into fuel, giving you the energy you need to power through your day. As you age, your metabolism naturally slows down, and B vitamins can help keep your energy levels up. Think of B vitamins as the spark plugs of your body. They ignite the energy-producing processes within your cells, ensuring you have the vitality and stamina to enjoy life to the fullest. B vitamins are found in a variety of foods, including whole grains, lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and leafy green vegetables. Eating a balanced diet that includes these foods can help ensure you're getting enough of these essential nutrients. Section 9. Getting your vitamins from food. The best way to ensure you're getting enough of all the essential vitamins is to eat a balanced and varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Aim to eat the rainbow by including a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet each day. Think of your plate as a canvas and the different colored foods as your paints. The more colors you add, the more vibrant and nutrient-rich your painting and your diet becomes. Here are some tips for incorporating more vitamin-rich foods into your diet. Start your day with a colorful fruit salad or a smoothie packed with spinach, berries, and yogurt. Snack on nuts, seeds, or cut-up vegetables like carrots, celery, and bell peppers. Add leafy greens like spinach and kale to soups, stews, and stir-fries. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread over refined grains. Include fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel in your diet at least twice a week. Section 10. Supplements, when and why. While getting your vitamins from food is always best, supplements can be beneficial in certain situations. For example, if you have a diagnosed deficiency, your doctor may recommend a specific supplement. Older adults, vegans, and people with certain medical conditions may also benefit from supplements. Think of supplements as a safety net, not a replacement for a healthy diet. They can help fill in nutritional gaps, but they shouldn't be considered a substitute for whole, unprocessed foods. It's essential to talk to your doctor before taking any supplements, as they can interact with certain medications or have unintended side effects. Your doctor can help you determine which supplements, if any, are right for you. Section 11. The bottom line: eat the rainbow, live vibrantly. Vitamins are essential for overall health and well-being, and they play a crucial role in healthy aging. By incorporating a variety of vitamin-rich foods into your diet, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive as you age. Remember to eat the rainbow by including a colorful array of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your daily meals. And don't forget the importance of antioxidant-rich foods for fighting off free radicals and protecting your cells from damage. By making healthy choices and prioritizing a nutrient-rich diet, you can support your body's natural defenses against aging and enjoy a vibrant, healthy life for years to come.